Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 2 more days worth of sales on Poshmark. Let's see what I sold. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. All the numbers that I'm going to be giving you are earnings, not actual sale numbers. This is after fees, after shipping, and then I'll tell you how much I paid for the item, deduct that, write it on the board, and then we'll add up exactly what my perfect profit was. All right, so this is a bundle of 5, and so I'm going to walk you through all of the things that I sold. So this is a classic Lauren Jeans Company, size 12, straight leg jeans. Then I've got a Prologue sleeveless button-up drape blouse, and then I have a silky blouse 3-tier sleeve. Then I've got a lightweight removable hood size 1X jacket, along with these really cute wedge heels, a New Day wedge heels, brand new. And so with all of those things, let's add up everything that we have. We've got $2 invested here. We've got $1. So that makes it 3. Add another $1 for 4. Add another $1 for 5. And then we've got 50 cents invested there. So we've got $5.50 invested in that whole lot. $24 is what I earned on the lot of them. So 24 minus 550 is going to be, let me see, 1850. 1850 are my profits on that one, and then we're going to move on to the next one. The next thing that we sold was a bundle of 2 items, yes, a bundle of 2 items, and these are really fun. I love these. And so this is a DC Comics Wonder Woman hipster underwear. So much fun. And then I've got a pair of Star Wars hipster underwear, size medium for both of them. My earnings were $7.05. I paid $1 a piece for each one of those. So take the $2 off. I'm at $5.05 for earnings on that. Remember, these are total like in pocket money for me. Then I've got a women's lace underwear bra, Exhilaration. I made $3.05, paid $1 for it, so I'm at $2.05 on that one. Then I have my really cool, these are awesome. I have a ton of these for sale. If you're interested on my Poshmark store, you can also get them at hookedonpickin.com. Check the sign back behind me. This is a Pitbull curved visor armor green baseball hat. The cool thing about this is it's super duper soft. I actually gave one to my brother-in-law, and he uses it to work out in because it's really soft and breathes well, but it's got a neat patch that you can take off. It says USA embroidered on underneath the patch, so you can leave the patch off, or you can put your own unit patch on if you're in the military and want that kind of a keepsake. So it cost me $4 from a brand new wholesaler that I buy from. $9.05 is what I earned, and so $5.05 are my earnings from, or my total profit after fees. And then I've got a pair of a 2-pack seamless midwise briefs, honey beige, size large. $6.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $5.05 again on that one. And then I've got down here, this came from the Goodwill outlet. It's a comfort waist CJ Banks light khaki pants. 50 cents is what I paid for it at the Goodwill outlet, not the Goodwill retail store, but the Goodwill outlet. $2.25 is what I've earned, so I'm at $1.75 for profit on that particular item. Then of course I've got my fun underwear we got going on down here, and so these are another pair of DC Comics Wonder Woman hipster underwear, size medium. So the one pair, my earnings were $2.05, not what they sold for. For example, those pair of underwear sold for $5. My earnings were $2.05 because I believe I gave them a shipping discount just to make the sale. So $2.05 minus the $1 I paid is at $1.05 are my profits there. Then we're going to wander back down here, and we've got a pair of women's 2-pack seamless black briefs underwear. They're super soft, super comfortable. $5.05 is what I earned. Take that $1 off that I paid for it, $4.05. That was kind of a weird looking for. Alrighty, and then I've got these awesome over-the-knee suede cognac Terran boots. I've got some more pair of these, so if you love the way that they look, check them out. They're super stylish and cute. They don't have a huge high heel on them, so you won't break your ankle walking in them, but they're really, really cute. Size 7.5. Check out my Poshmark store if you're interested in that. The exact name is a Marona over-the-knee suede cognac Terran boot. Size 7.5 is this particular size. $14.40 is what I earned. I actually paid $7 for that. So $7.40 are my profits on those pair of over-the-knee, really cute, brand new boots. Then I have this baby monthly milestone photo blanket. It's 40 inches by 30 inches, and it's really, really cute. You lay your baby on it. It looks like they have angel wings, and you put a little circle around whatever month it is. So it's a photo blanket, and it's just really perfect size for swaddling and hanging out and taking on the go. $10.05. I paid $3 for this. I was trying to remember off the top of my head. $7.05 are my earnings. Alrighty, then I have a Duck Dynasty ladies cap here that I got actually at the Goodwill outlet. $2.05 is what I earned minus my 50 cents that I paid at the Goodwill outlet. So I'm at $1.80 for my profits there. Wait, 50 cents, I did the math wrong there, sorry. $1.55. We're gonna change colors. $1.55 since I dropped that marker. All right. And then I've got a bundle of 4. So I've got 4, it looks like 4 bras. We've got a honey beige Gilligan and O'Malley, a women's everyday black bra Gilligan and O'Malley, a women's racerback bra Gilligan and O'Malley, and a Gilligan and O'Malley green bra. So all 4 of those, $1 a piece is what I paid. $28 is what I earned. So I'm at $24 for my profits on that one. Then I have a really cute Joy Lab sports bra, purple, size medium. $5.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $4.05. And then we got one more item way down here at the end in a shoe box. So I'll show you exactly what they look like. This is a new, with tags, a New Day 9.5 ankle strapless stiletto. I would totally break my ankle in that, but I've seen plenty of people maneuver those shoes phenomenally, and so I'm sure this lady will do great. So $2 is what I paid from that out of a liquidation box. $7.05 is what I earned, and so $5.05 are my profits there. So I'm going to add up how many items I have in these 2 days worth of sales, give you a total and the number of orders that I made. All right, I've got everything added up. It comes to $91.65 for a total of 14 separate orders. It seems as of late, since summer hit, it's slowed down a little bit, but slow and steady, I'm still making money, and I'm excited about my profits. So hopefully it's been helpful to see exactly what I sold these last 2 days on Poshmark. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.